Can you guess where I am? I am at the Fanshawe Pioneer Village. See? It's right there at the back. This is so exciting. Come join me. Yay! Thank you to all the volunteers who make the village an awesome place.
Here at Fanshawe Pioneer Village, we have some amazing volunteers who help make this place look so pretty and so amazing. We have Miss Brenda Fieldhouse over here, who helps specialize with gardening and other stuff around the village.
So, Miss Brenda, how long have you been volunteering in Fanshawe?
About 27 years.
You help maintain the grounds, put in beautiful flowers. What else do you do?
Well, there are many gardeners here, and as you walk around the village, you will see many different types of gardeners, and each one of us have been assigned to a particular plot, and so that's how we know where to go each week. But other things that I do here, I'm going into the Spritz Center shortly to get a lot of fabric because I'm going to be making new drapes this week for the Orange Hall. 32 yards of it. I also help out sometimes with costuming when we've had plays and activities here and we need period costumes. I've helped out with that as well. And my husband is a photographer, so he comes out quite regularly and does pictures of the various events that have happened here at the village.
Did you know that Fanshawe Pioneer Village is accessible? Did you know that Fanshawe Pioneer Village is accessible? They have different ramps across the village, as well as there is different places to get in and there is a road to follow. So it's pretty accessible for those who use wheelchairs or walkers or canes. Even if you bring your stroller, it makes it very accessible. However, not every building is able to have a ramp. So I'm here with Morgan, education coordinator, and she can explain to us why not every building is able to have a ramp.
So one of the things for us at Fanshawe Pioneer Village, every museum's a little bit different. We have about 30 buildings, and so we are working really hard to try and add those to every spot. We do still have a few spaces where they don't have a ramp into the house, and part of that has to do with buildings that have special heritage designations. The special heritage designations, each is a little bit different, but often it's that they don't want the ramps on the front of the buildings to keep that original look. And so for us, it's trying to find out how can we sneakily add it in. That's our ultimate goal, is to be accessible to all.
To the Canadian Museum Association, museums across the country are finding new ways to ensure everybody has a rich and engaging exhibit experience. And part of that, the way Fanshawe Pioneer Village brings it to life is with some of the ramps that they have around, makes it very accessible for those who need support with a wheelchair or other devices that we have talked about. So there is a way for people to go around. We would like to extend a huge thank you to every volunteer, employee, programmer that helped us make this video possible. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
Oh, I didn't see you there. So, yeah, those people are crazy. So, if you'd like to see more videos, click here. And if you'd like to see other stuff, click here. And please, smash, destroy that subscribe button right there. Bye!